Mommy, you wanna go camping with me?
What's that one now? Many cows?
Hello, cows.
Oh, that is a milking cow. Oh.
It says nature come.
These cows.
Papa, I want to hammer it.
You will do the other one. You will do the other one, okay? Until the ground. Harder, harder. Yeah.
Sorry. Very good.
This chair, you sit properly.
Good.
This chair stands properly.
One count? Whoa!
Wow.
This is cooking area, right? I think this one.
Surprise!
Wow.
Diba?
After that, put in the plate.
I don't know if you like it, but be careful, love. It's nuts, huh?
Thomas.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Thomas.
Ah, what's your name, bebe? Hey, introduce yourself to Thomas. Hello.
Hello, my name is Thomas.
Yeah, we can give one. You want this one?
No.
Bubbles? You don't want bubbles?
Bubble, do you want?
Doesn't want.
Doesn't want. We have more.
Okay.
Doesn't want it.
He doesn't want the bubbles, right?
This guy said he doesn't want. Wow.
Hey, no, happy feet. Yeah. How you choose first?
Got it. Hey.
Are you sure this book?
Well, I'll go and check the washroom first.
Okay.
You want to go or not?
No, no.
Mommy, I cannot do it.
Ah, this one. You mean this one.
I will do.
Okay.
I will do.
But you're pulling it there. Again. Yeah. Yan. Pull it this side. Not down. Yan, like that. Okay. Pull. Not. Oh, okay. Pull, pull, pull. Very good. Okay, pull. Very good. Yay. How
4
long?
days? 4 days eating cashew nuts?
Oh, papayuan. Swimming time.
Yeah. I want to play with the excavator.
Excavator is waiting for you.
Excavator is taking for a long, long time.
I'm so happy that you like my gift from Thailand, Antoine.
Just traveled seas, anak, ha?
I mean, next time I will buy you more gifts.
When I go to Taiwan, you will buy more books for me. Papa, we go get better. Morning.
Can you hear the birds?
Yes. Mommy, we need to go outside.
Forget it.
But it
I told
can.
on mommy needs it.
But you read this one,
It's okay, baby. Got it.
it's almost done.
Where are we now?
They say that even the carnivorous dinosaurs will be scared after the sound reaches a certain frequency.
Oh yes? There's a pair of hairmuffs in my backpack.
Why?
Don't bother about me. Take my backpack and run.
After him.
Who wants
Got
coffee?
it. Me.
You want coffee, Tuan?
I'm just reading a book, then we will.
Only coffee or breakfast, Antoine? Can we have breakfast also?
Of course.
Hey,
Coming.
after we finish
Whoa.
to hear,
See, it's a
then we
dictionary,
will
it's not a book, huh?
It's a very thick book, anak.
No, it's not a thick book.
Is
We're
it
still
not?
here on Monday, huh? To finish the book, huh?
Mommy, I need towel. Do I need towel?
That one?
Thank you.
Welcome.
This one.
Ah,
It's okay, we're page
why
51.
do
Page 51. Antoine, just take a break.
you just read this one.
Okay, after I will get to something in the car, okay? I have an idea. Oh, your turn.
What is it?
Papa,
Come
coffee.
back, come back. Is it ready? What's it?
Papa, we didn't finish the book yet. But Mommy will read with me. Mommy, come read with me.
I'm gonna prepare breakfast,
Dali
anak.
na! I was really worried when I heard that your dad locked you up again.
No.
Don't worry, you didn't beat me this time. Your dad didn't know that we play together. Because I told him that I wanted to find Ericasaurus. What? Why?
Stimulated by tall nuts.
How about you read this one and I read this one?
Let me play. It's over.
Papa, this is it there.
Again.
So cool.
Did tall nuts tell you all this?
It's a beautiful thing that we can
Yes.
talk later.
Ano?
Hey,
How many eggs you want, bebe?
Bang, boom, bang. Can you tell me how you did that? I just shot a distilled smoke bomb. When high density dust encounters an open fire, it will explode. This phenomenon is called dust explosion. That must be my dad. And the order for me to run away, how much you're taking a mistaken freedom.
Sorry na, anak. Because it's not good for you to eat that first thing in the morning. Right? Right, Papa?
Okay. Yeah, you better give to Papa so you don't get stomachache. I want full one.
I want the small one.
You get the small one, I get the big one. Now we went to the other tree. No, fine. Doctor, you know?
Tuano.
They have a plug, but... Antoine, can you get my glasses? Give to Papa. Thank you, Mommy. So good. Wow.
Okay now. Tuan, breakfast for you, sir. Oh!
This smells so good.
Ah, yeah, it smells so good. Mommy will feed you, okay? Okay.
Sausage.
Okay. It's spam, yeah. Like sausage. Siso, kakarado, Bambatuel at Teni Manuel.
Can you tell me that the mattress is back?
Yeah, it's packed, bebe.
Tell you. Can I tell you that the mattress is back, Papa?
What are you singing, Antoine?
I'm not singing, I'm humming.
Ah, you're humming. Okay. Sorry.
Mommy, remember I'm humming.
Okay, you're not singing.
Oh,
Jero?
Veil illustrated by Coconville.
Wow.
Illustrated by Cocon Mayer.
There's also the illustrator. Illustrated by who?
Illustrated by
Kokon?
Conjuring.
Okay.
Fragment, you will find two gray elastics, like straps.
Okay.
Can you bring?
Oh, bring it here. There. Come, dali. Oh, come, help me. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay. Ano, Noy?
I don't know.
Oh, wow! Antoine did it! Oh, thank you, Bebe. Finish? You cleaned all this, right?
Yes.
Wow, very good naman this boy. Thank you, Bebe.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Aww.